I'm going to show you imei repair on a Galaxy S5. This is the Sprint version. I'm going to show you the original imei first. Okay, and as you can see, this imei is no good. Doesn't pass certification, doesn't pick up signal. We get emergency calls only. Okay, so we're gonna try to do a repair. Okay, and it's going. As you can see, I'm using the octopus box. Just a minute, then it's gonna restart and we check the imei again. Okay, should be restarting right now. Okay, as you can see, we got our signal back. And we're gonna check the imei. Just give it a minute to register. And imei is back, or MEID. Check imei certification, pass. Alright, that's the end of this video. In another video, I'm going to show you how to change the imei on all Galaxy 4s. There is 4 methods. I'm going to share 2 with you guys. What I need help with is getting it to pass. If we can get that going, then we can get a signal on all of the other phones.